Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this Volvo V40. So from any screen, we're on the CD at the moment. We go to telephone, click on telephone. It's searching for a phone. I don't want to do that, so I click exit. No phone connected. Click menu, then exit. That brings up the other menu. That's what we want. Then we turn this rotary control down to remove Bluetooth device, click OK. You can either remove all or just one there, click OK. Do you want to remove Chris's iPhone? Confirm with OK. So OK's there, exit's there. We can cancel with exit or delete with OK. So again, there we go. We want to remove this other phone, we click on OK. Do you want to remove Christopher's phone? Confirm with OK. Cancel with exit, OK. Remove all, just turn up to remove all, click OK. Do you want to remove all paired devices? Confirm with OK. No paired devices, that's it, they've all gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2013 Volvo V40. So first of all, we make sure that Bluetooth is on. Green light there, Bluetooth's on, we're watching it out at the bottom. Over to the system, we'll click on telephone, like so. That's searching, it's searching for a phone, that phone in here. So we'll cancel with exit. No phone connected, connect with OK. OK is there in green, exit in red. OK. Add phone, OK. Make sure everything's discoverable, it is. Search for devices with OK. So you've got to tell it more than once. It's kind of like an apprentice until it sinks in that you actually want to pair your mobile. Looking for it now, that's spinning. Other devices, looking for it on the phone as well. Barry's iPhone 13 Pro, connect device with OK. OK. Enter following passcode in mobile phone 7252. Nothing's come up here yet, but it has now. So 7252 pair. Allow contacts and favorites to sync, allow. Barry's iPhone 13 Pro successfully paired. And then we're looking, so that'll be it. I think probably says my Volvo there. I've got there you go, my Volvo connected. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio or play music from your mobile through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2013 Volvo V40. So we go to music first of all. We'll click on that, record. You see there, I'll just turn it down, but at the bottom there, the three silver circles and the silver triangle, you see my Volvo car. If you click on that, that gives you the choice of what it will play through at the moment, iPhone or my Volvo. My Volvo's ticked. Anything that plays, any audio that plays on this mobile, if you have this set up properly, it will come through the speakers in the car. So now, at the moment it's on telephone. That's, click on media. We're on CD at the moment. Now we need to get to Bluetooth. Click it again, brings up another menu. There you see disc, USB, iPod, Bluetooth. Highlight Bluetooth, click OK. That's showing the record that's playing on here, or will be playing when I click play now, because it's just knocked it off. So I'll click play there. I'll turn the radio up, and then I'll turn this up. That's it. That's how you stream audio. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2013 Volvo V40. So from any screen, you've got nav here, the nav button second down on the left hand side. Click nav. That brings up the map. We want the menu, so we click nav again. That's the set address menu. You've got set address at the top, but any others, set points of interest. You just turn this rotary control till it's highlighted or boxed in green, click OK. So that's set address. We've got here street, city. If we go to city, click OK, it brings up this wheel, and you'll notice there postcode. So we turn this rotary control until we highlight whatever we want. We want postcode. So click OK on postcode. We put in the postcode we want. I'll take you to our old garage, so that's P. R. It's defaulted to numbers, 5, and then it brings up a list of the PR5s. We want PR54, click OK. Our old garage was Chorley Road, so we'll select street, bringing up the thumb wheel again, C, H. It's, each time you do this, it narrows them down to what's beginning with C and a H. You'll see there Chorley Road. So now that it's a fast entry, I turn the rotary control down to Chorley Road, click OK. House number, the garage didn't have a house number, so I'm just going to set that as a single destination. It's far enough away from here to give us some direction. So single destination, click OK. That's it. It gives you 3 options, fast, short and easy. So that's it. We'll select the fast one, click OK.
Guidance will start when you join the highlighted route.
That's it. It's a bit of an old system now, but to be fair, it's pretty simple to use and pretty accurate. So all good. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.